Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open GitHub notebooks into Google Colab. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we can just follow this article here that says or that shows how to run GitHub project notebooks in Google Colab. So as you can see here, you will be able to run GitHub project notebooks in the Colab, and basically all you will be needing is just to simply go to the repository and get the repository link. You access to Google Colab, and from there you connect to the GitHub repository. So now let's just do the same here. And basically here we have this repository. I just found it here. This is a Jupyter Notebook, and it should have the PyYD files so we can add them. And from here, we can just go to any notebooks. We can search for GitHub notebook, so we can just open anything into our Google Code. So basically, we can just take this one, and basically we go here, we take this one and we will be needing of course to get our GitHub repository link, copy, and from here we will find the Google Colab. So make sure to access colab.google. You will need just to click on open a Colab, and from here it will take us to this page. So basically here we are just going to choose GitHub, and from here we are going to paste the GitHub URL, and it will find our repository. You choose which branch you want to open, and basically here it has no notebooks, and basically this is a PyNB here. We will need just to click on open, and now we have our project that is opened in the Google Colab. So here we can start accessing the contents. You can start opening whatever you like, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.